Next up, we're looking at a specific kind of a relation called a function. A function is a specific relation where every input is matched with exactly one output. So here's an example of a function shown to you as a table. We look at each of the inputs and we see that they're only paired with one output. So here's 2 being paired with 3 and 4 being paired with 5. So because every x is paired with exactly one y, this is a function. Now I could also give you the function in other forms. I could give you the mapping diagram, the scatter plot, the set notation, and you could be able to look for those same correspondences between the x's and the y's. Here's a non-example. This is an example of something that is not a function. The reason that this is not a function is because we can see that 2 is only paired with 3, 4 is only paired with 5, but 5 is paired with both 6 and 7. So because 5 gets paired with 2 different outputs, that makes this not a function. There are a few trickier things that could happen. For example, if I gave you this exact same table and I changed this 7 into a 6, then that would be a function. Even though 5 is listed as an x-coordinate twice, it would be paired with a 6 both times, so the input of 5 would still only have one output. It would just be a 6. So that would make that a function. Another common misconception is the reverse of this. If you were to have, let's say we were to change this to a 6 and this to a 6. Now, here I have the 5 being paired with the 6 and a 6 being paired with a 6. It's okay to have a y coordinate used twice, going with 2 different x's, but it's not okay to have one x going to 2 different y's. Now, if you're looking at a graph rather than a table, we use something called the vertical line test to tell whether or not something's a function. What you'll do is you'll imagine drawing lots and lots and lots of vertical lines, and if all of the lines that you draw only hit one point, then it is a function. But if you could draw one vertical line that hit more than one point, then it would not be a function. So in this example, I could draw a vertical line here and only hit one point, only one, but here I end up hitting 2 points. That makes this not a function. Now on this one, anywhere I draw a vertical line, I only hit 1 point, so this one is a function. This straight line, any place where I draw a vertical line, I only hit 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So that diagonal line is a function. This half circle is not a function. If I were to draw a vertical line right here, I'd hit 2 points. So it fails the vertical line test. This half circle is not a function. This V graph, I'm going to try to draw lots of vertical lines. Here, I just hit 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. Any place I tried to draw a vertical line, I would only hit 1 point. So this V-shaped graph is a function. Here's another half circle. It's still not a function. If I draw a vertical line over here, I hit 2 points. So it's not a function.